Sus- hey guys, now I will tell you how to hack services. First, subscribe my channel. I will show you how to subscribe a channel. So first, you go to a YouTube. There's a cartoon show. Subscribe here and push the bell icon for all my new notifications. And press the 25 and like. So first, you will go to the Chrome or browser you have. I'll find it in my folder and search there. Online hacking. Online hacking. Survey sufers. So there's my address. So click on first to run online. Generate for free. So your username connect. So you must be you. Their email username is not working. So my username is connect. Find your gem coins. So I will give there. And should be you in here. So click on submit. So this is a tricks to hack service. So this hack simply amazing. How long does it take? This is a true video. So subscribe my channel. Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. It is connected to the Google. See क्या? Having some. And it will be complete. They check it.